Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. What does this look like, if I may ask? For a minute, can you guess? It looks like head of a bird to me, and most people that have come. Look, if the wind blows, this is what it does. Moves. Chip, 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 chip. And truly looks like a bird. So actually there is bird that is called birds of paradise. That's the name, and I believe that's where they got the name from. Birds of paradise. And they are found, the birds of paradise are found in tropical islands. I don't know exactly where, but they've got similar features. They do look like this flower. They're beautiful birds. They're not seen all the time, and they are rare. So with this flower too, it's mostly seen in tropical regions, in Southern Africa, Hawaii, and places like that. It can be found, not in Europe where it's cold. So it's interesting and it's amazing. We have it in our garden in Harare, Zimbabwe. We've had it for 20 years. 20 years, yes, to be exact. It's been nurtured, it's been loved, it's been cared for, it's been cut, it's been used. A lot of ceremonies that we've had, weddings, birthdays, funerals, you name it. It's been used and it's been admired. Every time everyone comes here, say, "Oh, can I have a cutting of your flower?" We give them, but they never seem to succeed in growing it because it needs patience. It's beautiful. And here we are, 20 plus years, and it's still standing. This is the larger version of it. It can get very tall. So here we are. Do subscribe, share, and like. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.